All right, guys, selling domains with YouTube, okay? This is an actual example. I got about 70,000 views there, and it's a horrible video, okay? Terrible video. Sold hundreds and hundreds of domains. Every domain that's in there sold, all right? Don't ask me. They sold, and I wasn't even telling people to buy. What I did was I did this video that was for the purposes of just, building up my channel. Of course, in internet marketing school, you're basically taught to give value, and people subscribe to your channel, right? And I did not count on this thing selling freaking a ton of domains automatically with GoDaddy. I never even meet the customer. The reason why is I talked about how to sell domains, okay? So this is a common occurrence too, and this is something a friend of mine teaches. Like direct sales, like saying, hey guys, I have something for sale, check this out. Sometimes it can work, but a lot of the time, this is case in point. This video, literally, if you type in how to sell domains with GoDaddy Premiums into YouTube, this video will come up and you'll see exactly what I was saying. I start the video off, I sound like I'm half asleep, and I'm just filming my screen. You can do that with Jing or Camtasia or Loom or whatever. So you're watching the video and I'm like, hey guys, so this is how to sell with GoDaddy Premiums. As you can see, I have all of these domains here, and I worked really hard, number one, to find them through with expired drop lists, right? I purchased them for sale, and I purchased them and then I list them for sale doing this, and I show how to click on the button and everything. I'm showing how to list them. Now, this is the most important part, and this is why I think they sold. I wasn't thinking this. I wasn't thinking that people were going to watch this video and buy them. I was thinking that people would be like, in the comments, would be like, thanks, bro, I'm going to try this, right? So I was like, Esteban says it's appraised at 1,000. List it for 200 so the buyer can sell it for 1,000 and make money. Now that is really good advice. Like if you want to sell a domain, sell it at a wholesale price. Like, don't be greedy, because you can find more. I mean, we have expired drop lists come out every freaking day. So that's why so it was the combination of, hey guys, I'm going to show you how to sell domains with GoDaddy Premiums. You buy the domain from expired drop list. You worked really hard to find it, and Esteban says it's appraised at 1,000. Well, give it a really good price, like 200 or 300. And then it'll sell, right? And I'm like, that people are watching it and they're like, oh my God, he's pricing them at like really low prices. Oh, boom, 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 boom. Like everyone, like my email, like I show that a lot, like, on TikTok or whatever. Like you see, I scroll through my email. It's just like forever. Like I just scroll all the way down. It says GoDaddy, congratulations, GoDaddy, 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 like all the way down the page. True story. Now, after all those domains sold, the video's kind of defunct, but there's 118 comments and plenty of people like, dude, thank you. Like people are doing this and selling them, and everyone bought them. Crazy stuff. So you're getting two things out of this tutorial. Number one, the mentality, like the philosophy of how to sell domains and how to do it for free, except for purchasing them for $10. Like it's not like you're paying Flip all that money, like the listings and the promotions and all this and that. And then I'm also teaching you kind of about YouTube, but there's going to become a time for that and organic traffic. We're going to talk all about that stuff, about YouTube, etc. And that's the main idea, guys. So yeah, if you're looking to ramp up your domain sales, like instead of just buying it and sitting there waiting to see if anyone finds it or something like that, no, advertise it and do it this way. All right. So thanks for watching.